Hello, I'm Dagna Gmitrowicz. I'm a trainer, artist and therapist. In this short video I would like to talk about the power of curiosity and learning. So here I am. I'm the trainer who made like 160 trainings and seminars. Here I am, the learner who went through 20 years of education, formal and non-formal. And here I am, in this place, when I was delivering the training for It's Up to Me. And this what happened surprised me a lot. So imagine, with this all experience and education, you can see me during the break and one day before sitting in my room on the floor, cutting the papers, working with the markers, being absolutely connected to the method that I have to deliver the next day. Why should I do that? I know all of this. I know all the concepts and methods. I trained so much. But no, I'm the one who, like a little kid, again and again is coming and preparing the session. And then here I am, coming to the room with 40 people sitting in a circle, and I feel this kind of excitement that something will happen because I will deliver something for the first time in my life. And you can believe or not, but never in my life I was delivering the same session the same way. The question why? So after the session I delivered, approached me one participant asking, "Dagna, what are you doing? Why you have this passion? From where are you taking this energy?" And then came this aha moment. You know why? Because I'm a learner and I'm very curious and I like to discover new lands. This is the magic. So whenever I come to the group, when I enter the seminar room here, I wanted to co-create something with people. I was so curious, what is the wisdom in the circle? And also, I'm a learner. I learn every day. I'm learning now, recording this video. I'm learning going on the street. I'm the learner. So how come I can deliver the things in the same way? It's just not possible. Because here I am, standing in front of you, and I share everything, what I have within me, with you, with my transparency and honesty. And you know what happened then? I'm coming as a trainer to the group of learners. And me being a trainer, I'm a learner. So in this particular moment, we are all sharing the same thing. Passion to learn. There is only one difference in this whole process. Within this learning, I'm strong enough to hold the space of diversity. Because in this circle, everybody can sit on a chair and everybody can learn. Still learning, because we have this journey to go into unknown land, to discover something together, very, very new. For me, it's an aha moment. Because I was thinking it will come the moment in my life that I will be the experienced trainer coming to the group. I would not need to make the whole big preparation. But it's not true. Because I have curiosity of the wisdom which is in the group. I have curiosity of the new things that are coming. So now I really hope that you, whenever you enter the seminar room, you will feel this kind of excitement. And you will be open for unknown. And you will be strong enough to host diversity. And you will go all together with your group to discover this unknown land. Because this is all about. This is how we stimulate creativity. This is how we build innovation. So, I'm Dagna Gmitrowicz. If you would like to discover more about the curiosity and creativity and learning, you can find my website in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel.